Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering the exact tools and parts so nothing stops you mid-job. A 10mm socket and Torx T20 are common. Disconnect the battery negative to prevent shorts, then open and prop the hood. Next, remove the splash guard or inner fender access panel to reach the back of the headlight. This clears space and prevents stripping fasteners. Once you have clear access, identify the headlight connector and retaining bolts so the physical removal is straightforward. With access made, unplug the headlight electrical connector, push the tab and pull straight to avoid breaking pins. Release the retaining clip or remove the mounting bolts while supporting the assembly with your other hand. Headlight housings are deceptively heavy and can snag wiring. Slide the unit out straight to avoid catching alignment tabs. Transfer bulbs and trim pieces if reusing them, or fit the new assembly into position, aligning tabs and starting bolts by hand to ensure proper fit before final tighten. Once the assembly is seated, tighten mounting bolts snugly but avoid over-torquing plastic threads. Hand start, then use the wrench for final turns. Reinstall splash guard or access panel, reconnect the battery negative, and close the hood. Test low and high beams plus turn signals and confirm aim by parking near a wall. If a lamp fails, first check the connector pins for corrosion and secure seating, then inspect the relevant fuse. Often a poor connection or misseated bulb is the only problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.